Okay, number 8, we're graphing the y value has a +3 here. So that means that our center is not at 0, 0. And y comes first. So we're transverse along the y-axis, this bottom row, and here is our general form. So I'm going to write that y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. Okay, so our center here is at hk. Let's get those values. Well, this is y minus -3, and there's nothing by x, so this is actually x minus 0 squared. Okay, so our h value is 0, our k value is -3, so we're shifting down 3. Okay, so when we graph this, we're going to be transverse on the y, and our center is going to be down 3. So instead of finding these other points when they're off, I'm going to find them for when we're at 0, 0 and then shift. It's easier when you're graphing. So let's pretend that we're at 0, 0. We're doing that because then the vertices are at, we're on the y-axis, plus or minus a, and then the foci are at plus or minus c, and then we'll just move. Okay, so this is a squared, this is b squared. So if a squared is 25, a is plus or minus 5. So our vertices are plus or minus 5. And then we just did this, but I'll do it again. To solve for c squared, we would add the denominators, square root both sides, so that's 6. So graph first, do these, then shift the center. And I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so we're going to keep the center at 0, 0 and move our vertices, keeps doing that, our foci to 6, our vertices to 5. And then I'm going to move the center, and look what happens. Everything just shifts with it. Then I don't have to figure them out individually. Okay, so actually this vertex would be at 0, 2, that'd be at 0, -8, and then our foci are at -9 and 3.